All right, this might be a little bit unusual on why someone is telling you to pick up these mop handles. But in our house, we split the chores. We like to share the load. And when it comes to mopping, I'll be honest, it's not my favorite chore. Part of it is because I am a fairly tall guy, and it's like all of the mops we have in our house are designed for much shorter people. And so we've got an Ocedar mop, a spin mop, and that handle itself is fine, but it is a little bit short. But I saw this online and I picked this up and I could not be happier. What this is simply is a replacement handle for your Ocedar mop that takes it from availability to make it a 30-inch mop up to, I believe, what, 58 inches? What is that? Yeah, up to 58 inches. So you've got 4 sections here that you can use to make whatever size work for you. So if, I don't know, you maybe have a child helping you mop, you can start teeny tiny. I didn't mean to launch it. But you just keep adding sections until you get the size of the mop you want. Maybe it's this size. This would be perfect for my wife, for my teenage daughter. But for me and my son, we need one more added for the extra little bit of height, and you've got a full 58 inches for this mop, making it a wonderful, wonderful, much easier for my back. So the one thing you need to be aware of is some of these sections are different. The 2 middle sections have a little bit smaller insert, and the end that actually connects to the mop here, as you can see, is a bit wider. But once you get them all set up, you should be easily good to go. They all connect better. They all connect together. They're nice, they're solid. Look, if you were looking for a replacement mop handle, whether it's just to replace the size of the mop you have or one to add a little bit extra reach, I think this is the way to go. I think you're gonna love it. Check it out.